Ever wondered how Python can do so much with just a few lines of code? The secret is packages. There are pre-built code libraries that save you tons of time, from handling Excel files to building AI models. Today we will learn what Python packages are, how to install them, and how to use them in your projects. Let's talk about what is a package. In Python, a package is basically a folder containing modules, and modules are just Python files that's .py with code in them. A module is a single Python file with functions, classes, or variables, and a package is a folder that contains multiple modules and a special init.py file. To make Python treat it as a package, here is the example. This allows you to organize code neatly and reuse it across multiple projects. So what is importance of packages and modules? Once you have a package, you can import it in your Python script using the import keyword. Let's talk an example. Here is the example: import math, print math the square root of 16, and import math, import square root, print square root of 25. Python comes with many built-in modules like OS, system, math, and random, but you can also install and use third-party packages. That's where pip comes in. Let's talk about installing packages with pip. Pip is Python's package manager. It lets you download and install thousands of packages from PyPI, Python Package Index. Here is the example: installing and request for HTTP requests. Pip install request, it is the base command, and then use this code in your Python. Import request response equal to response.get. There is the GitHub, and print response or status underscore code. See how quickly we made an API request. That's the power of packages. Here is some popular Python packages you will use every day as a Python developer, that are NumPy, which is fast numerical operations and arrays; Pandas for data manipulation and analysis; Matplotlib for Seaborn for data visualization; Request work with HTTP and APIs; TensorFlow or PyTorch is used for deep learning and AI; Flask or Django is used for web development. And the important tip is always check the official documentation before using a package. It saves time and helps you learn best practices. And that's wrap on Python packages. Remember, packages save time, make your code modular, and let you do advanced things like AI, web apps, and data analysis with just a few lines of code. If you learned something new today, like this video, subscribe, and comment below which package you want me to take next. Maybe NumPy, Pandas, or Flask. Keep coding, keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.